All right, let's look at a knife. So Poikilo, I sure hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is the Futuristic Carmen. Our guy Matt found these at Blade Show West in Salt Lake City, and he thought they were pretty cool. The Orca model won an award up there for Best Manufactured Folder. I better not be lying here. Comes in, all their knives come in the same sort of case. This is our sticker so that we can keep track of which case goes with which knife. Little piece of leather there. This is the Futuristic series, the Carmen. I feel like this is kind of a design engineering exercise sort of knife where you let an engineer do something either that's aesthetically or engineering pleasing versus something that's designed from criteria. So here at Pinchetta, you know, we've got some great everyday knives, and then we've got some knives that are kind of on the crazy side. So this guy is got some neat features to it. For comparison, here's our little ruler, just so you can get some little size ideas. Flip this blade out. Now you've got a little stud here. You've got a stud here. I have been playing with the little wheel on the back because I get a kick out of that. Let's get your total length there, and then because it's all about comparing knives, we'll compare it with my everyday carry Machine-Wise Sonora. Not comparing them in that they're the same knife, but just to give a little size comparison for something that I'm used to the hand feel of every day. The blade shape is a trip. Let's see if we can get you a good idea of the grind there and the angles. Again, one of those knives that you look at and you say, well, is this meant, you know, this isn't meant to go hunting and fishing. This is kind of an engineering and design exercise. The little piston in the back here is part of the detent system for the button. I can press this button, goes down. You can see it moves a little, almost like a hydraulic cylinder, but a little piston. Maybe a spring inside. I'm not going to tear it down that much. It is a forward movement on the button to make the blade go down. So I don't know yet in use whether this motion of pushing down, if I push force, would release the blade, or if I just ride my thumb up farther, which is a little more natural. And then one of the other button to go down interesting features is this whole mechanism in the back here. The clip can go left, center, or right pocket carry, and it does that by this slides out, and then this little piece comes out. Don't know if that's supposed to replicate a little bomb, a little bullet, or just that's a cool shape. I thought it was nice, be nice visually. Then you give it another pull out, and this part unthreads, and by unthreading here, you now can lift off, and these pins engage with the pin, or these holes engage with the pins there. So you can go for a center carry position and go for a left pocket carry. And since your flipper and your button are center mounted, I guess theoretically this could be called an ambidextrous. And then, oh, nice sound as you put it all back together. We'll put it back in the default position the way it comes. The key is this has to thread all the way back in. Obviously no Loctite, because then you wouldn't be able to undo it. And again, this is not something where you're arguing everything from oh, well, when I'm at work and I'm out on the loading dock cutting stuff, you know, that's going to get loose. I don't think that's really what we're going for here. And then come forward. This little guy goes in, requires a little bit of pressure downward, and then can push, watch your finger, and in. So again, design exercise. This is the Futuristic Carmen by Poikilo. We've got it here at Pinchetta. If you want to stop by, check it out, get a feel for it. She's a trippy one. Thanks.